In this video, we can talk about top 5 replica alternatives and competitors. Hey all, welcome back to our channel. If you have come here to look for the best alternative to Replika, then you made the right decision. Today, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 best AI companions, which include Character.ai, Chai Research, QuickChat, Kuki, and Anima, the best competitors to Replika. Now let's explore all the 5 alternatives. The first alternative is Character.ai. Character.ai is an advanced chatbot web application designed to participate in contextual conversation, providing a highly responsive and personalized chat interface. It offers features like chat history, analytics, and voice recognition. The AI can also generate responses based on your personality traits, making it feel like you're talking to a real person. One standout feature of Character.ai is its AI-powered decision-making abilities, which enable it to learn from user interactions and adapt to new situations in real time. Second one is Chai Research. Chai Research is an innovative platform that uses two-way AI communications to provide users with an opportunity to engage in a meaningful relationship with a virtual friend. It offers features like solution-focused guidance, language optimization, and emotion recognition. With Chai Research, you can nurture a deep friendship that is always available, highly attentive, and understanding of all your needs. One of the standout features that make the Chai Research platform unique is its sophisticated neurological algorithms that constantly learn and adapt to the user's personality. Third alternative is QuickChat. QuickChat is an innovative platform that enables organizations to create their own multilingual AI assistants, leveraging state-of-the-art generative AI models such as GPT. It offers features like customizable workflows, easy integration, and machine learning-based analytics. QuickChat simplifies the otherwise complex process of building intelligent assistants with its user-friendly interface, which requires no coding experience. The standout feature of QuickChat is its ability to create chatbots that can understand users' intent and respond accordingly, providing a more natural conversation experience. Fourth alternative is Kuki. Kuki is an AI-powered chatbot that is designed to be your companion whenever you need someone to talk to. It offers features like voice and text chat, personalized responses, and helping play your day. With Kuki, you can engage in meaningful conversations about anything, and it will always be available to chat with you no matter where you are. One of the standout features of Kuki is its natural language processing ability, which enables it to understand users' queries with incredible precision. Fifth alternative is Anima. Anima is an AI-powered companion that is more than just a chatbot, as it can role-play with you and help you improve your communication and relationship skills. It offers features like foster meaningful connections, personality tests, and voice messages. With Anima, users can enjoy a friendly chat, grow their communication skills, and receive mental health support all in one place. The standout feature of Anima is its ability to personalize its responses to each user, creating a unique chat experience for everyone. Compared to Replika, Character.ai offers a more personalized and engaging conversation experience, while Chai Research is focused on providing AI-powered customer support for businesses. Then there's QuickChat, which is a simple and easy-to-use chatbot option, while Kuki, on the other hand, allows users to create their own custom chatbots. And there is Anima that offers more advanced features like conversation history and multi-language support. If you're looking for Replika alternative that provides a unique and customizable chatbot experience, we recommend Kuki as the best option. We hope this video has helped you find the right AI chatbot for your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.